Good day everyone, I'm Kenneth Luzuriaga Relmo from Peer Learning and today i-interview natin si Sir Jervis, one of our peer passers sa kanyang naging experience sa LET preparation review and of course sa paggamit ng Peer LET app.
Yes, well, hello for everyone. Thanks for having me, sir. I'm Jervis A. Bugante from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Manila.
So first question sir, how do you feel after passing the licensure examination for teacher?
Yes, of course, I felt very excited and grateful because aside from graduating, I achieved another milestone. And of course, as an education major, isa naman talaga to sa mga gusto naming i-achieve, ang pumasa po sa licensure exam.
Okay, that's good sir. Second question sir,
Yes, sir.
what motivated you to take the LET?
Of course, my family, my friends, and to be called finally a professional teacher.
Third question sir,
Yes, sir.
what was the most challenging part of your review preparation?
The most challenging part, of course, is teaching hours and yung preparation po namin dun sa accreditation. Nakakasingit po ako ng review. Kahit po sobrang saglit lang, at least po alam ko sa sarili ko nakakapag-review pa rin po.
What review modes of peer learning review app help you the most?
Actually po, there are two modes that help me in the peer learning app. The first mode is, of course, the assessment mode. Because during that time, going back to my answer before, during that time, I can't find any time to really review. Yung mag-review po on paper, on book, or kahit aman po yan. So, what helps me best is the assessment mode and the pre-board mode po. Ayan. Since, of course, it helps me be familiarized with the test questions and paano po sasagutin yung mga yun.
Okay. And did using review application help you study more efficiently?
Yes, of course. It helps me very efficiently. Kasi nga po, I can find ways kung paano ko magre-review pa ng mas maayos. I tried once, nag-print po ako ng many review materials but hindi ko po siya nagagamit talaga ng maayos. And since nandiyan naman po si Peer Learning app, very innovative na po. Nandiyan na lang po sa cellphone. Every time na may vacant po ako, uupo na lang ako and pwede ko nang i-open na lang yung phone and magsagot-sagot na lang po ako.
Yes, sir. No?
Real time na po yung ano.
Unlike sa PeerLet app na nasa mobile phone and you can review anytime and anywhere. No?
Yes,
Kahit walang
and
internet and walang signal, magagamit si PeerLet app. No?
Yes, sir. Sometimes nga po, sir, nasa ako motor. Sa motor ako mismo nagre-review at nagsasagot gamit si LED.
Ganun ka-flexible, guys.
Yes.
Question. Did you attend via Zoom lecture?
Only a few times lang po. Pero with that few times, I think it really helps naman. Very knowledgeable, very malalaman mo talaga na very mga experts talaga yung mga mentors po natin sa mga Zoom sessions po ni Peer.
So marami ba silang na ituro sa'yo o natulong sa pagre-review mo, sir, sa LET preparation?
I think so because on that few times, yung mga mentors po natin, yung mga nagre-review po sa amin on that Zoom sessions, ay talagang na-explain bakit ito yung sagot dun sa tanong, bakit ito yung hindi sagot doon sa tanong.
So, nai-emphasize nila kung bakit dapat ganito yung matutunan nyo.
Yes.
And sa hindi sagot, no? Sa hindi
Yes po.
dapat, kung bakit hindi na ito yung naging sagot sa tanong na to.
Yes po. So, para pag andyan na yung mismong day ng exam, hindi na kami malilito.
Hindi na kayo nalilito sa
Tama
ganun,
po.
sa mga tanong. Lalo na, especially sa Prof Ed, sir, no? Sa Prof Ed, maraming questions na yung pagpipilian is parang tama lahat.
Tama lahat.
Tama, sir, no? Ganun, no? So,
Best answer na lang talaga.
Best answer na lang talaga. So, how did you manage your time with preparing of PeerLet, LET exam?
I think I did not manage my time din. Pero ayun nga, nakakasingit-singit naman ako. On weekends, ayun, focus tayo with the review. But on weekdays, isisingit lang natin si review.
So, naging talagang medyo
Hectic
yung
talaga.
schedule mo pagdating
Yes.
sa LET review, no?
Yes.
So, who supported you the most during your LET journey?
Who supported me the most? There are 4 things that supported me the most. First is my friends, of course. Next are my co-teachers. Ayan. Next is my family, especially my mom, and of course myself.
And that's it, sir. Again, thank you so
Thank you,
much, Sir Gerbes, and congratulations.
Yes, thank you,
And
sir.
last message for the aspiring teachers.
My last message is mag-enroll na kayo sa peer. You can review anytime and anywhere. Okay, bye!
Bye.